Welcome back. Now, mining department's office will function 24/7. Two staffers have been deputed at the office to receive emergency calls during monsoons at night. If they receive any complaint, they will inform the concerned higher authorities. Mines department's order says any lapses on the part of staff will not be tolerated. Disciplinary action would be initiated against them. They are posted for 4 months.
As per the direction from the collector, Director of Mines and Geology has delegated a control room to attend emergency calls during the rainy season. Two staff of the department will be deputed during night hours to receive complaints. People can contact them on 0832 242 2765. On receipt of a complaint or information regarding any natural calamity, they will record message in the register and immediately contact the concerned higher officials. Drivers posted for night will not get compensatory day off. If the officials fail to perform their duty, a disciplinary action would be initiated. Staff will be posted for 4 months. Order has been issued by the Assistant Director of Mines and Geology Department, Parag Nagarsekar. Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Water Resource Minister Dayana Mandrekar is annoyed with the Tilari farmers. He claims that Tilari farmers never approached Goa government to claim compensation. Mandrekar also claimed that the Tilari canal is in bad books for frequently developing cracks. Mandrekar also informed that the government has filed its reply before the tribunal in Madai case. However, Karnataka is not ready to stop the diversion project.
तिलारी जो एक्सरसाइज केला पळय वो डोंगर पोखरून उंदीर भायर काडला. इतके पयशे खर्च केल्यानंतर तितको बेनिफीट आमकां गोंयकारांक मेळटा काय कितें तेका हांव सांगता मिटिंगेक एज अ वायस चेअरमॅन त्या करकरेक आमी तांकां जे कितें हेल्प करूंक जाय जेंच्यो जमिनी गेल्या हांगरूच ठरोवया म्हणून. जाल्यार तो म्हाका सांगता ना ना ते आमचे हायकमांड ठरयतले म्हणटा. अरे चेअरमॅन वो भायर गेला थंय प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेता आनी प्रत्येकी 25 लाख दिता म्हणून थंय घोशणा करता. पूण तो विशय आजुनूय सोंपोंक ना. ते सिरियस ना. तेंच्यांनी मार्चाची 30 तारीख त्या मिटिंगेन आमी डेट दिल्ली. त्याच्या नंतर जेका गरज आहा तेंच्यांनी ही मॅटर कांयच फॉलोअप करूंक ना. पण आमी कितें करतले आमी म्हणजे आमकां पयलीं तुमी उदक दिना तुमचे कॅनलां फुट्टा तुमचें उदक आमकां येना आमी वचून तुमच्या शेतकाराक घेव म्हणून आमी दिवपाक घेवं वचोंक तांकां. म्हादयच्या संदर्भान आमची बाजू रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट आमचो जो आहा पळय वो आमी हेका सबमीट केल्लो आहा. काम ना बंद करूंक ना. काम तेंच्यांनी चालूच ठेवलां. ते कोणाक आयकना. उदक तेवटेन व्हरपाची सगळी वेवस्था तेंच्यांनी केल्ली आहा. अंडरग्रावंड पायप हें बी घालून हें केल्लें आहा. उदक आहा पळय जो स्लोप आहा येता पळय न्हू हो स्लोप आहा हो खाला आहा येता आनी तेंच्यांनी जें डायवर्शन केलां पळय तें आडवें केल्लें आहा. आनी जेन्ना फाल्यां पावस पडटलो आनी उदकाचो जेन्ना ग्रेविटीन जेन्ना उदक येतलें पळय न्हू ते 75-80% उदक आहा पळय हें गोंयाच्या वटेनूच येतलें. निसर्गाचें हें आहा पळय सगळें आमचे हितून आहा. तेंच्यांनी जें कितें केलां आनी ते तितून ते कितके सक्सेस जे भुयारी बी हें केल्या पळय हांगर ओपन कॅनल आहा ते तिगाना. हे भुयारांचे हेंचे कॅनल कितको ते उरतले आनी कशे उरतले हेचेर मागीर उलोवया आमी. मेळना कांय चिंता करपाची गरज ना. कोर्टान आमी झगडपाचें काम वेवस्थीत करता. ते कितके पर्यंत आहा पळय तांकां आमी पळयतले. हय फुडें आतां कितें तरी करचें पडटलें ताका लागून कितें तरी ते सरावणें करपाचें. थंय ते फॉरेस्टाच्यो कटकटी आहा ते धरणां बांदपाक कांय ना. आमी धरणां बांद हें करपाचें पूण आमी आतां रिप्लाय बी दिला तांकां वायल्ड लायफाकूय उदक जाय म्हणून. वायल्ड लायफ जर डिस्टर्ब जाता धरण बांदून जाल्यार वायल्ड लायफ उदक नाका तांकां पिवपाक. तांकां लागून तें धरण बांदूंकूच जाय थंयसर. कित्याक इतकीं वर्सां आडोवन थेयलां म्हाकाय खबर ना. आमी ते फॉलोअप करता मॅटर. सेंट्रल फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्ट्रेशनूय हें करता आनी तें धरण जावचें. आमकां स्वलंबी आमी जावचे उदकाच्या बाबतीन हें आमकांय दिसता.
State Pollution Control Board has signed a MOU with the Vasavadatta Cement and Goa Institute of Management to keep Goa clean and green. Cement company will utilize the plastic garbage collected from the state roads. Environment Ministry is also planning to involve school students in the mission Green Goa. The MOU was signed on the occasion of World Environment Day on Wednesday. So far, 150 tons of dry garbage has been collected from the state roads.
Every effort that will ensure that the state is going to be cleaner, and all efforts are towards the direction of bringing it back to its old glory, is an occasion of joy. And today is a very significant day because we have signed with the Vasada cement factory and with the Goa Institute of Management. Both are going to join in their efforts to see that this goal is achieved.
Alina Saldana also informed that Environment Ministry is planning to involve school students in this mission. They are awaiting green signal from the Education Department.
Every school will be provided with these bins, 4 different bins for segregation of the waste. Now, the children will be explained how they should be collecting this waste, and this waste will be collected from their own homes and from their compounds. Okay, and they will be taught how to segregate the waste, and then this waste they will be bringing to the schools, and at the schools this waste will be deposited in the bins. Now the main reason for this scheme is to create awareness among the young. We are still awaiting the decision from the Education Board whether this could be considered as a project for the school children, wherein they could be allotted certain weightage of marks.
Goa State Pollution Control Board Chairman Jose Manuel Norona, officials of Vasavadatta Cement and Goa Institute Management witnessed the signing of MOU.
Now they have made an offer, then they'll give us 2 baling machines, they said. So they'll give a baling machine for Sarvan and 1 baling machine for Kakoda. They will give. That's the only offer they have made to us. This MOU has said that they'll give a 2 baling machines, where then we will have to bale it. Yes, Sarvan and Kakoda.
A video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.